We have discussed that when JavaScript is first run, the engine sets up an execution context, specifically the global execution context. We now need to talk about what happens when we invoke or run or call a function. Those are all synonyms. Invoking, calling, or running a function means the same thing. Now, the invoking of a function is caused by parentheses. And when a function is invoked, a function execution context is set up and added to the stack. We illustrated in the last section the adding of a function to the stack. Well, an execution context is added for that function, and it undergoes the same two phases, the creation phase and the execution phase. So when we see the function on the stack, that is its context. Its execution context is established for all the code that will be executed during the second phase. So let's look at that. Now, you have already learned about execution context. So we're going to turn the execution context of a function into an exercise to apply what you have already learned. So take a look at this code. I don't want you to run it until you have figured out what will print to the console. To do that, walk through the creation of the global execution context and then each function execution context. Once you have an answer written down, run the code and see if you're right. Then go to the next topic and we will walk through this together. And make sure you view the walkthrough in the next topic, as we will discuss some additional important points in regards to the functional execution context. All right, go ahead and give that a try.